you are mine, you are mine, you are mine. The God near the sun, in the house. Oh, Kodalu Sangamadeva. Good morning, everyone. My name is Veda. I am studying in first day section. Today I am playing a Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, one of the greatest freedom fighter of India. Netaji was born on the 23rd of January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was a brave and patriotic leader